So everyone's heard about the stock exchange, right? Which trades about $5 billion a day. But the other exchange, which most people don't know about, actually trades at about $7.3 trillion a day. It's the foreign currency exchange, or Forex market. The Forex market was established in 1971 when the US dollar moved away from the gold standard. That's when the currency exchange rate became a floating rate determined by the market forces of supply and demand rather than being set by a government. The Forex market trades 24 hours a day, Monday through Friday. In the Forex market, you buy or sell currencies. Placing a trade in the foreign exchange market is simple. If you have a cell phone, you can place a trade. The mechanics of a trade are very similar to those found in other financial markets like the stock market. The objective of Forex trading is to exchange one currency for another in the expectation that the price will change. More specifically, that the currency you bought will increase in value compared to the one you sold. Forex trading used to be the exclusive territory of large market operators, but it's now accessible to the general public. And there are many resources available to help beginning traders achieve success. That being said, those same traders will want to consider our free Fast Start guide. Learn how to trade currency and join our online community, Change with Change. If you have any further questions and/or you're just ready to start right now, just text me directly at 330-642-4125. Happy trading.